What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. We got a super exciting superhero custom themed cleat to share with you guys. Now this is a superhero who we've heard a lot of rumors over the past recent year or so on him potentially making a comeback, whether that be via a new movie or a new TV series. There's just a lot of buzz going around it. So this pair of cleats we designed for Eric Ebron is actually decked out with a really cool Static Shock theme. So he wore these last week in the Thursday night football game of the Colts versus the Patriots. He's going to be wearing a pretty cool Sonic pair this weekend, but we're going to give you guys a little bit of that behind the scenes look at how we made this Static Shock pair for him. So let's go ahead and get into that in 3, 2, 1. So we would love to hear your guys' feedback on what you guys think of the superhero customs that we've been doing lately, the villains too. It's really fun to do these, and it's been a really fun, exciting kind of weekly segment for us to do with Ebron throughout this season. So we're super excited for more things to come. We have some tutorials coming that will not be cleat based, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Don't leave us just yet. So go ahead and give this video a like, make sure you're subscribed to the page, and we'll see you guys in that next video.